I was sent this set of wire cutters from VCELINK and asked you my opinion on 'em, make this short video. So let's check out what you get here. They make all kinds of networking equipment and tools and components that are helpful for all the electrical wiring you need to do for computer networks and electrical such like that. This set here is a 6-inch set. It's used for plastic, for copper, for cardboard. You can cut all kinds of things with this. They're very, very sharp. You can get that impression just looking at those blades there. Very sharp edges on both with a very, very pointed tip as well. It's got a nice spring action here with the rubber coated handles. So that way, as you're using them and you're cutting what you're doing, it's springing back automatically for you. So you don't have to worry about manipulating it in that way. So you can just work on the wire that you're working on very easily. They come already with a little bit of grease on there, a little bit of lubricant, and very, very sharp. So as you're using these, you'll get a feel for it. Very easy to strip a wire, do anything like that, because they've definitely got an ability to slice through the plastic and leave the copper behind if that's what you need to do. If you need to cut the whole way through, cuts through like nothing. So this isn't a very thick wire, but that's the kind of detail work you'd want a pair of pliers, cutting pliers like these for. So just work that around a little bit like that and then can pull that through. So I definitely recommend these. Are very, very handy. They fit in your hand very nice. They're just the right size for this type of work where you've got to work into some detail like that. Whether you're splicing cable or you're just cutting and adjusting, these are the kind of snippers that you need. So hey, I hope that's helpful to learn a little bit more about these wire cutters. Hope that's helpful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.